Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add multiple characters in Character AI. First of all you have to do is open your web browser and type Character AI website and go to the Character AI website and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, so you can either click on create button and create a character. For example, I have already created so many characters, I can see more. Or what you have to do to add multiple characters in Character AI, you have to click on create button. From here you have to select the option called create a room. Select this. For example, you can give the room any name, for example my personal room. After that you can add characters into your room. For example, I will add 3 of my characters. For example, I have added these 3 characters, and maybe you can talk about YouTube. This is the room topic, or you can leave it as empty. And then I will create a room, and now a room has been created with multiple characters. I am my character. Now I will ask all of them, introduce yourself. Let's see if everyone replies or not. And it's a funny thing that sometimes characters are talking and replying to each other. You don't have to even talk to them. They will be talking by themselves. You just watch and see what they're talking about. And that's how you can add multiple characters in Character AI. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.